it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have the YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly Collabs. This week the host is Patty's Polish Corner and the theme is my favorite stamping plate. So this is a pretty new stamping plate to me, but it's quickly become one of my favorites, so I thought I would choose this one because I couldn't really pick one. I have lots of favorites, so this is what I went with. So I'll have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video, and I'll have their links down below in the description box. If you're coming over from one of their channels, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and I hope that you will also subscribe. So I'm going to share with you all the different products. So first off, I am going to be using this Rainbow Renegade from Painted Polish. I made this into a gel polish using Bio Seaweed's Gel No Wipe Top Coat. So gel polish usually lasts longer for me, so that's what I did with that one. And also I'm going to be using this stamping plate. So this is Summer Vibes 02 from Amelia London. I got this from Beautometry. Then I'm also going to be using this Born Pretty Star Silver stamping polish. I've yet to find the sticker. And I have this Beauty Big Bangs 001, a royal blue, gorgeous polish. And I'm also going to use Hit the Bottle, and this is Break the Icing. And I'm also going to use Peacock Shimmer from Hit the Bottle as well. So let's go ahead and get straight into the design. So that is the finished design. I really hope that you like it. I think it turned out really nice. I actually really like it a lot. I love these color combination together. So that is everything for today's video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.